At the beginning, the idea was basically to have a lab, a simple lab, where we could have some samples of real machines. For example, this beautiful synchronous generator. So basically the idea was to have a lab to do training. And then things started to evolve. We brought more people in, like my colleague Palacios, and he had the idea to expand the lab to form a microgrid. So we went back to Lucas-Nuelle, bought some equipment, and then the whole lab started to be a passion. We have now 5 different types of sources, the synchronous machine, the solar plant, the wind generator, the battery storage, and on top of those, of course, we have Florida Power and Light. And we are pretty sure that we will serve training purposes, research purposes, and needs of our customers.